And in first place, winner of the gold medal, representing Accra Bay GC, the 2014 Grade 5 Women's Group champions are Millie Forrest, Rosa Lodell and Nicole Stevenson. Thank you very much, gymnasts. Please return to the line. Our final presentation is for the Grade 5 men's groups. And in first place, winner of the gold medal representing Kings Lynn Gymnastics Club, the 2014 Grade 4 men's group champions are